Hello guys, what's up? It's me Jack and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, mag-unbox ako ng package na binili ko from Shopee. This one is a gadget. As you can see, it's very big and sealed pa. First time ko kasing order sa Shopee ng COD yung mode of payment kasi medyo expensive yung item. And you know, usually kasi here when you order something online, minsan pinapalitan ng courier yung laman ng box. Like, minsan nilalagyan nila ng wooden blocks or bato yung laman, which is very alarming. So hopefully, hindi naman bato yung laman nito. Fingers crossed. So, before we start the unboxing, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and click on the notification bell for more updates. Let's go! So what to expect inside this package? Well, I ordered a laptop sa Shopee, and again, it's my first time to order an expensive gadget online. First, kasi when I went to the mall nearby, wala sila ng model na hinahanap ko na medyo mataas yung specs. And medyo mahal kasi talaga pala pag you buy sa malls. Medyo may difference, like 5,000 difference, yeah, without the freebie. So, ayun, luckily sa Shopee meron stock yung laptop na model na gusto ko. So, I was able to get a voucher. I had like 1,000 pesos off. Tsaka meron pa siyang freebie na bag. Hopefully included siya here. So, huwag natin patagalin. Buksan na natin yung package.
Very good naman kasi yung talaga siya. Hindi natin bubble wrap. May box na malaki. Hindi, fast forward ko na itong video kasi marami talaga yung bubble wrap I need to cut them.
Okay, so I'm done. Ito yung box. And bubuksan ko siya. Open the box. Sana talaga hindi bato yung laman. Nakaka-alarm siya at nakaka-paranoid. Baka bato yung laman, sayang yung pera ko. Okay, so nabuksan ko na at ito agad yung nakita ko. So, nandito yung bag na freebie. It's a backpack na may tatak na Acer. Good one. At may another box. I think nandito yung laptop. Yan. So, buksan ko ulit siya gamit ang ating gunting.
Okay, ano na. At meron naman siya ulit box. Wow, masyadong sealed. Ano yung package na yun? Okay, ito yung box. Lagay Acer. And the features. Serial number.
Okay, what's inside? Oh. Okay. So, may mga boxes pa. Okay. Oh, medyo magaan lang siya. Well, yeah, magaan. Laptop. So here's the laptop. The model of this laptop is Acer Swift 3. All because I'm a Swiftie. So hello there, Taylor fans. Okay, so inside is the box, or the laptop, and the cable and charger, and the manual instruction booklet, and the receipt. So So again, I bought this for 34,560. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, that's 30. So ayun lang, wala namang masyadong laman yung box niya. And parang matte finished yung laptop. So hindi siya nag-a-attract ng fingerprints. Magaan siya. And I really like the color. It's silver. Manipis lang. And then this one kasi is the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U series. Yeah, I think that is a good spec sa laptop. So, ayun. Maybe I should charge it first. Kasi nabasa ko dun sa instruction booklet na you should plug it first para mag-open siya. So, let me just plug it and let me update you guys later pagbukas mo na.
한결편안해 지고 했어 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈에 번지를 했어 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어 왜냐면 너의 색깔은 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night 생각은 통전이란 같아서 뒤집어 생각하란 말에 머릿속을 돌아다녔어 오늘 어떤 면이 볼까 이유 없이 찾아는 오지 마라 기지개 편 다음 이불을 뺐으니까 내가 꿈꾼과 너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지 이렇게 이 많은 밤에
Yan, so ito yung laptop. Again, magaan siya, malinaw yung camera and yung screen, tamang-tama lang siya. Very handy. And mabilis talaga yung laptop. Sobrang gusto ko siya.
이해하고 싶어 춤에 끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 보면서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜 나는 내면의 건지.
Thank you so much for watching po this video. I hope na nagustuhan niyo yung video. And is it a good buy? Yes, for me, worth it naman yung 34,000 for this laptop. Sobrang ganda niya. For sure, magagamit ko siya ng matagal. And magandang investment siya. So, again, thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, click on the notification bell, and of course, subscribe to my channel. So, I hope to see you again, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See you!